Good day everyone, my name is Ғаділболат Аяулым. I'm thinking about my future profession. Choosing profession is an important decision that will shape my life. I'm finding a job to what matches to my interests, skills and future opportunities. Today our country is the edge of technological revolution, and I'm emphasized by words of our President Касым-Жомарт Токаев. Digitalization and the widespread implementation of artificial intelligence must become the key to the steady progress of our country. And I want to be a part of the movement to create, innovate technological progress of Kazakhstan and the world. Why artificial intelligence engineer? Because this profession is a perfect blend of creativity, problem solving and advanced technology. AI engineering are the architects of intelligent systems. They design algorithms, train models and create machines that can recognize speech, drive cars, diagnose disease and even write like humans. The history of AI engineering starts in 1915s, and John McCarthy was considered as the father of artificial intelligence. He was an American computer scientist, and the term artificial intelligence was coined by him. The most famous artificial intelligence engineer is Him-Chan. He developed some of the most important techniques at the heart of the modern artificial intelligence. And Yann LeCun is a French-American computer scientist. He working primarily in the fields of machine learning, computer vision, mobile robotics. Essential skills for this profession: first is learn programming languages such as Python, Java and C++. Second, deep learning mathematics, statistics and linear algebra. The third is understand machine learning algorithms. And finally, critical thinking and creativity, because AI is not just about coding, it's about solving complex problems in new ways. Like any profession, it has pros and cons. Advantages: high demand, create salaries, innovation. Disadvantages: require strong math skills, continuous learning, ethical challenges. We have two ways to become artificial intelligence engineer. First way, study at universities such as MIT, Stanford, and in our country, Al-Farabi Kazakh National Nazarbayev University. The second, you can learn these skills through online courses such as Coursera, Udacity, and edX. Artificial intelligence is needed in different areas like healthcare, finance, robotics, cybersecurity, and education. Companies like Google, Tesla, OpenAI, and Amazon are hiring AI specialists every day. Kazakhstan needs more AI specialists, and it aims to become a regional leader in AI. The future is digital and AI is shaping it. I would like to conclude my presentation with a question. Do you want to be a part of this future? AI engineers are innovators and creators of tomorrow. So let's take a step forward and build the future together. Thank you for attention.